There are some pretty savvy apps out here in the game. I mean, apps that can totally help you to run your whole small business. Hey there, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. Tamia Dawkins here. If you've never seen my face before, I would love to invite you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because on my channel, we talk about all things connected to living the intentional lady life so that you can build a life and a dream business that I know that you'll absolutely love. Why? Because of the fact that you built it. Do me a favor, hit the cute little bell for updates and make sure you like this video. So what I've discovered is that there are some pretty impressive apps out here that will be able to help you to keep the productivity that you need to be able to move forward in your business. You want to definitely stay on track as a small business, and you definitely want to stay on track in your life. So in today's training video, I'm going to be sharing 10 of my favorite apps that I use or that I've heard about that basically will help you to be able to run your life and also your business. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now, the first app that we're going to go ahead and jump into that you definitely want to be using as a small business owner is Evernote. Why Evernote, you say? Evernote literally helps people focus on what matters most to them within their life or either within their business. It's where ideas literally become answers. And on top of that, there are about 225 million users who trust Evernote's products as the home for most of their important thoughts and ideas. Are you thinking that you need to go ahead and download this app? So you can literally save everything on this app. One thing that I absolutely love about it is that if you are working on a particular, let's say, desktop web page, you have the ability to be able to take a screenshot from Evernote and literally import it into their library so that you can totally go right back to it. But overall, you have the ability to be able to save everything. As I mentioned, you can save things like notes, and you have the ability to be able to store everything from personal moments to business products, and know that they are literally always safe and totally secure and ready whenever you need them. You also have the ability to be able to sync everything within this app. Evernote literally has auto syncs across all of your devices, your phone, including also your desktop, your smartphone, of course. Evernote gives you the ability to be able to auto sync across all of your devices. So whether you're utilizing this app on your phone or on your desktop or your tablet, you can definitely know that you have a secure place to be able to get back to the things that you need to get back to within your business and life. So your ideas, your photos, and clip pages are always available no matter where you are. This is why I absolutely love this app. Now, you also have the ability, if you have a team, to be able to invite anybody to collaborate with you within this app as well. So it is definitely a functional app that you want to make sure that you're implementing within your business so that you can totally obviously take it everywhere and get to the things that you need most as you continue to grow your small business. Now, the Evernote app does have a free version, but there is also 2 upgrade features that stem between $7.99 and $14.99 in terms of a plan. So you definitely want to look into getting this app. I absolutely love it. I absolutely use it, and I'm pretty sure that it will be a benefit to your business as it grows. Now, the next app, when I found out about this app, I was super excited in the functions that it has. Now, the name of this app is Trello. Now, a lot of people know about Trello these days, but Trello is literally described as what is known as a collaboration tool app that literally organizes all of your products in boards. In one glance, you have the ability to be able to know exactly what you're working on in your business. But I love Trello because I've seen it being used so many different ways, and as a small business owner that has digital products, I utilize Trello as a hub to be able to help people to build content for a product that I have called the Lady Boss Content System. So you can literally create content calendars within this app. It is absolutely an amazing app to host different documents that you want to upload. It has also been utilized so that you can keep track of, let's say, different titles of different videos that you're doing. Let's say if you're a YouTuber just like me, this particular app is the bomb. You can do anything in it. If you wanted to translate more towards life, I've seen people utilize it so that they can keep track of their recipes. I've seen people use it as a project management tool. Whatever you want to do, literally in Trello, you can be able to create a template for and utilize it. And most of all, you have the ability to be able to copy your particular board and to share it out. Now, this is a free app that can have an upgrade so that you can definitely get the full effects of the app. Then you also have the ability to be able to do what they call power ups, which allows for you to be able to integrate softwares into Trello, like let's say Google Drive, or if you have different documents that need to be uploaded directly into this particular app. Now, a lot of business owners love this app because when you're utilizing it in terms of collaboration, you have the ability to know exactly who's working on what and basically where they are in the process of getting things done. So if you have a team, once again, of different people that you're working with, you definitely want to look into Trello so that you guys can get all the things done. Now, this next app has been an amazing productivity tool in my business, and that is Asana. You guys have heard me talk about this in past videos, and I absolutely love Asana. I love the layout of Asana. You have the ability to be able to focus on the small stuff or more so the big stuff. So Asana helps you to be able to organize your work in terms of helping you to know what you have to get done in a very clear way and exactly how to get it done. So you have the ability within the Asana apps to assign to-dos to different people. Let's say if you have a team, or either to yourself. And I love this particular app because you will literally be able to set it up to be able to remind you of different tasks that have to be done. You can be working on a project and then have the ability to be able to close it out to let you know that you're finished with the project, or if you're in the process of doing something, or let's say you do stuff consistently within your business, you have the ability to be able to close out the project at the end of the week, but then allow for it to cycle back up so that you don't have to create those particular stages and phases in your projects, or let's say in your ongoing to-do list on a week-to-week basis. So it's absolutely amazing. Now, I utilize Asana to keep different things in my business organized, which is why I absolutely love it. If I'm working on any kind of projects like my upcoming membership, Dominant Entrepreneurship Society, I literally list all of the different stages and steps that I have to go through in order to be able to finish this particular project. Staying on top of stuff in terms of my email list, knowing at what rate my email list is growing, as well as helping me to be able to keep track of different things if I'm running ads for my business. It is an amazing app to be able to utilize if you are a small business owner. You definitely want to get this app. The next app is ClickUp. Y'all, I went ahead and I started dibbling and dabbling in this app some time ago because I had heard really good things about it from other small business owners, particularly on the YouTube platform. I remember opening the app up and thinking this is a lot like the Asana app, but not fully having the opportunity to really dive into it until I connected to a fellow business owner, and she really helped me to realize that there were so many different features in the ClickUp app. I mean, literally, it is an amazing app that does all kind of different things. Now, I love ClickUp because you have the ability to obviously do collaborations and projects in terms of utilizing it as a project management tool, but there are so many different templates that they have for so many different areas of your life and your business that they pre-make that you can utilize within this app. Now, this particular app is literally suitable for all businesses of all sizes in different industries. And some of the features within this app include communication. You literally can chat with different people within the app, and then you'll get an alert in your email. There are also collaboration tools, as I mentioned, as well as task assignments and statuses. Like, you can know exactly who's doing what in the app at the exact time that they're doing whatever they need to do in the app in terms of when they log in, and you can track exactly what is going on when there are alerts, and there's a task toolbar. One of the things that I love about ClickUp is that there's an additional Chrome extension that is always on. Let's say if you're utilizing it on your desktop, that you can click on to be able to save things inside of ClickUp. Like, it is absolutely amazing. So ClickUp does have a free version that you can start out with, and as you progress and grow within your business, then of course you can go ahead and upgrade, and the price is absolutely amazing. So definitely download the ClickUp app. Number 5, there is Planoly. Now Planoly is a visual planning tool that literally allows for Instagram users to create calendars to plan their content. You can curate the content of others, schedule posts, and literally analyze engagement and even grow within this app. Now, I discovered this particular app maybe about a year and some change ago, and I think that it is absolutely amazing in helping you to keep your content for Instagram in particular absolutely organized. Now, one thing that I want to mention is that there are several different apps that connect to Instagram, but you have to be very careful about connecting different apps to Instagram. You don't want to get your account closed down. Planoly is one of those apps that's approved by Instagram. Do your own research because different things do change. Different stock photos for your feed as well. So let's say you're having a lazy day and you don't necessarily have content, you can easily do a search within their database and get a cute little picture with a filter and go ahead and post it to your particular wall. I love this app if you're doing any kind of batching of content to make sure that you're consistently putting content out. Now, if you go ahead and you upgrade within this app, then you have the ability to post to not only Instagram, but also to Facebook. But obviously that is an upgrade. You also have the ability within this particular app to be able to utilize it for more than one Instagram account, which is the bomb, but obviously that's an added feature as well. I believe that the upgrade right after the free account is something like $7 a month. So you definitely want to look into it. And I also like it because they have an affiliate program as well. So if you want to share it, then you can definitely do so. And with that being said, all of these different apps that I'm mentioning today will be in the description box down below. So you can totally download them and get started. Now, if you've been in the small business space, you definitely have heard of this next app, my number 6 pick, which is Canva, the best app out here in the world. Now, Canva is a tool that makes it possible to be able to design anything literally in your life and business, and to be able to publish it anywhere. I've seen business owners utilize this app in several different ways, even within their paid products, to allow for people to be able to access certain levels of content in their particular product. So it literally has thousands of different templates to be able to help you plan your content, which is why we absolutely love content. So if you are not a good graphic designer and if you're not at a place where you can hire somebody to be able to create your content, from checklists to content for your Instagram feed, I mean, whatever have you, digital products that you can go ahead and sell, planners, you name it, Canva has got it. Then you can go ahead and if you're not savvy, then you can definitely go inside of the Canva app and literally create all the logos that you want, all the digital products, all the ebooks. I mean, every single thing that you can imagine. Now, this tool is also a free tool, but you really get the most out of its pro features when you upgrade for the cost of about $12 a month. And so since I started utilizing Canva, I went ahead and I just paid the $12 a month because it's such an amazing app. And I literally find myself within this app as a small business owner literally every single day of the week. So definitely check out Canva. All right, so my number 7 pick is Loom. This is an amazing app that allows you to be able to record your screen. Now, you no longer have to open your iPhone and press record if you're trying to record your screen, but you can absolutely utilize the Loom mobile app, or either you can use it on your desktop. Now, I've utilized this particular app to be able to be a supplement within my particular courses that I've created in the past, to whereas I had the ability to be able to share slides or to be able to share my desktop or my screen or whatever have you, and it is an amazing tool. Not only that, but Loom gives you the ability to be able to edit the videos that you create within the actual app. So it's absolutely amazing. It's just like a one-stop shop. Now there is a free version to this particular app, but you have the ability to be able to upgrade. Now if you create a whole lot of different screen recordings or camera recordings like me, you want to make sure that if you don't want to upgrade in this app, that you delete those videos, maybe archive them. But if you're at a place in your business where you can upgrade, then you definitely want to do so to be able to get some of the other amazing features. Now, I love this next app. I know I said that I've loved them all, but this one is really good, and that is the Adobe Sign app. Now, the Adobe Sign or Fill app literally allows for you to be able to scan different forms or papers, or let's say you have to sign a document for a client or for something that you're doing within your business. All you have to do is open this app and you're able to sign your signature right there on the spot. Not only that, but you can send the document right back. Now, if you have a form that you need to take a picture of, or let's say you have to scan and upload something if you are on the go, then this app is absolutely amazing. You can do that straight from your email. Now, this particular app has some custom auto fill entries that literally let you fill in forms super duper fast so that you can send them on their way and keep moving forward. Now, my ninth pick in terms of amazing apps that you absolutely need for your life and for your business, if you're an upcoming ladypreneur, is the Acuity Scheduling app. Now, if you are the type of person that wants to make sure that your clients are serious about booking you, then this is the app that you definitely need to make sure that you have so that you can make signups or payments absolutely seamless. Now, in order for someone to book you with this particular app, really go ahead and schedule within your calendar, but then at the same time, you have the ability to be able to not allow for them to schedule until they go ahead and make a payment, which is great for this particular app. And then obviously once somebody books you within your calendar or schedules you, then you have the ability to be able to see it via an email, and then you know exactly where you need to be as it relates to your upcoming client. Now, this app is known as an amazing digital online assistant working 24/7 to be able to fill your schedule. So definitely check out the Acuity app. Now, my next pick is a daily planner app, literally helping you with all parts of your business, and that is Google Suite. Now, Google Suite consists of several different apps, whether you're talking about Google Drive, whether you're talking about utilizing Google Email, whether you're talking about Google Docs or Google Slides. You want to make sure that you are in the know when it comes to Google with regards to all of the different apps that you can utilize within Google. Now, I love all of the Google apps because they connect hand in hand, like literally anything that you need to be able to stay productive within your business as it relates to administrative tasks. You will find it within Google Suite. I love the Google Suite calendar. There's a video that I did some time ago that teaches you how to be able to put together a time block schedule for your life and for your business. I'll make sure that I put that video right here so you can definitely check it out. But anything Google Suite is something that you need to know, that you need to have to be able to make sure that you are running your business. Now, do me a favor in the comments down below. Let me know which one of these apps you're either already utilizing in your business or are you getting ready to use in your business so that you can totally stay ahead of the game. Now, there's one more thing that I absolutely have to let you know, and that is I totally, absolutely believe in you. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, like this video. I'll see you again here soon, beautiful. Ciao.